say how to remove vocals from song. I will say what is the use of removing vocals, and even I will say how to remove background music also from song. Now I will say the use of removing vocals from song. Basically, if you are singing a song, that time you have to sing with your voice, right? That time you don't need singer's voice of that actual song. So that time you want to sing with your song. So that time what you will do, you will say to the music control member to decrease the volume, but the voice of that will come, and even background music will be less. Without background music you can sing, but the song will not be nice. This is one of the way. Other ways also we can use for re-recording the song or anything. Many people will say you have to download this software and that software of audio editors. I will not say like that. I will say how to download, and that's also it's a very high quality, I will say, without any audio editors. Now we will simply discuss how to extract vocals from song. I'll give you link in description. Go to first in this and second in this. First one is removevocals.com and second one is acapella extractor. So first one is remove vocals. So you have to drop any mp3 format file. So this is the thing I want to say from starting. You can't upload the video directly. You have to download the mp3 song which you play in your mobile. Only audio. You have to export. You have to download that first, and you have to click here. You can follow this process even in mobile also. So this is that song. This is a Telugu song. So it's exporting directly. No need to do anything. So here only it is there. No need the vocals only. Means you don't want background noise. Okay, it's automatically refreshing. The band is re-recording without the singer. So they will do the work for free for us. In this gap, I will say how to do this. Acapella extractor is nothing but when you drop or click any voice, same like that audio only, you have to export. So it will directly export and it will remove the background voice. When these both are useful, I will say now. You have to not close this page, it seems. You have to not refresh or do anything. It should be like this only. The artist is re-recording your acapella. I think acapella is voice. It take too much time sometimes. Not too much time, just some minutes. I'll fast forward video for you. Yeah, it's ready now. I think this will be ready. So both are ready. So instrumental, this is only background music. Let's download this also. You have to wait, it will automatically download. You can see right here at the down. So one is downloaded, another is downloading. Okay, it's ready. These are ready here. So now I will say when these both are useful. So when they are useful is these both at one time. So you take first background music. In that, if a boy and a girl voices are recorded, if you are a boy, you can sing up to only boys, and the girls you cannot sing, right? So you can have this vocals. So that time you can shorten that to only girls, not here. In editor I'll say this or that also in this video, that's not included, but I'll say for you. I'll show an example also, but let's play this first. So these are ready. So I have downloaded totally, right? So now I'll play this. So it's saved as Y2 accompanying. I think this is background music. Once I'll play. See, wherever the voice is blocked, there it is like some cloudy type, right? So everything is not perfect. So the background music is clear, but some voice will be mixed. Not voice cannot be identified. We can feel that. See, some cloudy feeling is coming, right? See here, only background music, I think. So it's like this. So this is over. So let me play this vocals one. It's waiting. Starting no vocals. So in vocals also background music they removed, right? So here also some cloudy feeling is coming. But this is more unpredictable than that. See how the voice is there. but there are some mistakes here. Some voice is recording from background, but we have to adjust. We are giving high quality also. And next thing I have said no, that boy singing like that. So I'll play one example for that. I have created one thing without vocals. So you can listen this. This total background only. Let me play now. Now voice will come, see. See here some cloudy feeling is there, no? But while we are singing on stage or re-recording this song, it will not be, they cannot find that. So wherever it will come, there I'll keep. But we have to keep very accurately. Anything will mismatch means here also sa gamapa maga sa is there, no? If you keep some before, it will be like totally, it will be spoiled. According to background music, we have to keep correctly. So that time only you will get the perfect output. I'll say how to do that also. Now I'll open new project. So in new project, I'll import, I have said in my last tutorial, no? So here you can see this background music and vocals. First I will import. So no need of video. In my one of the example I have said no, I kept even video, but here no need of video. I'm keeping only audio. So firstly, starting some gap is there, no? I'll delete that. I'll drag that nearly girl singing part only. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I'll extend this. Okay. Yeah. At here it started. Here I'll cut. I will catch on this and I'll cut. Or will this total will cut. Yeah, at this part voice has been stopped. After this also voice will, at this point it started girl's voice again. So I'll not delete this again, it will come to front. Even before also I'll not delete this also. Before I have kept, no, I'll bring this down. If I'll delete means it will go. So again from here I'll keep third one mute. That time I will not listen. You can listen only girl's voice now. You can listen only girl's voice, see. And even this end also I'll cut. Even this end also I'll cut. Here again boys words started. So I'll take this. So see, again boys voice is gone. Only girl's voice will come. And even the background music will come now. And here also some gap is there. Now I'll delete even that gap. I don't need. So okay, I have deleted. So now listen. It's perfect sync, right? If you'll keep front or back, it will be not nice. So you can delete. You can take this to under here I think no voice is there here in this clip, so I'll mute this both and I'll on this. If only background noise is there, you can add that clip also. I think here both background and even this is recorded, so I'll take off this. Yeah, now it's correctly there, so I'll mute again third one and I'll open this one. Now it's perfect. So I will delete now this extra boy's voice, so I'll take it to here and I'll delete. You have to not delete there, again this will come to front. So okay, I have okay, everything is perfect now. Okay, by mistakenly song is cut there. So like this we have to do that, and you can directly export. First of all, I'll save project. If I want to do if you have still more anything, you can save and you can do again later also. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.